Lipid nanoparticles have revolutionized drug delivery systems with their most prominent use in mRNA vaccines, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. In this video, we'll explore their structure, how they work, and their clinical applications. Composition of LNPs. The components of LNPs include mRNA, which is encapsulated in the lipids and has to be delivered. This is the active payload. Ionizable lipids. These lipids help in the endosomal escape. They encapsulate the nucleic acids. Helper lipids, like phospholipids that form a lipid bilayer that mimics the cell membrane for fusion. PEG lipids, or polyethylene glycol lipids, that create a protective layer avoiding immune detection and extending circulation time. And lastly, cholesterol that stabilizes the nanoparticle structure. Together, these components work to protect and effectively deliver fragile therapeutic molecules. Mechanism of action. Once administered, LNPs are taken up by cells through endocytosis. Inside the cell, they merge with the membrane. This is similar to two bubbles coalescing. To better understand the process, let's take a look at the schema. A cell takes up the LNP through endocytosis and then will release the mRNA. Now, this process allows cells to produce proteins that stimulate an immune response. This is the case with the majority of mRNA vaccines. Clinical applications. LNPs gained fame in COVID-19 mRNA vaccines, where the LNPs encapsulate and protect the mRNA, encoding the virus's spike protein. Once inside the cell, the mRNA instructs them to produce the spike protein, triggering immunity. LNPs are also showing promise in other fields, such as cancer therapy. In this context, they enable the targeted delivery of chemotherapy drugs directly to the cancer cells, thus minimizing damage to healthy tissue and improvising therapeutic outcomes. Additionally, LNPs are being explored for gene therapies, including CRISPR-based treatments. Lipid nanoparticles have changed how we deliver medicine, making treatments more targeted and effective. We have seen them work well in COVID-19 vaccines, but that's just the beginning. Scientists are now using these tiny particles to develop better therapies. In the future, we might see them used for personalized treatments tailored to individual patients. They could also help combine different medicines in new ways. As research continues, lipid nanoparticles will likely play a big role in creating more advanced medical treatments.